Hello readers, and thanks for joining me for another phonics lesson. We're going to continue our little unit on verb tense with inflected endings. And as we said last time, this really isn't a phonics skill, but it's what was given to us. So we are going to include some phonics in this video by doing a little bit of review just to keep things fresh. And then we're going to end with our little grammar part of the lesson, our English part of the lesson, where we learn about verb tense. As we get started, just to let you know what verb tense is, when writing or reading, the verb ending can often tell you when something is happening. If it happened in the past, we call that past tense. If it's happening now, we call it present tense. And if it will happen later, we call it future tense. And we see an example here, playing and played. Playing means she's doing it right now. And played means she's already done it. She did that in the past, and that's how we know. But we'll get back to that in a minute. Let's do a quick review. I want to look at CVCe words, those words with a bossy E at the end. And we know that if it has a bossy E, it makes the vowel do what? Say its name. That's right. So all of these will have the long vowel sound when you see this pattern in a word. So let's make the long vowel sound for each of these. Make the sounds with me. A, E, I, O, U. All right, let's practice sounding out some CVC words. Sound, B. Sound, A. Put that together. Bake, bake. I'm going to bake a cake after school. Sound, F. Sound, E. Put those together. These. These. I hope these videos are helping you. Sound, R. Sound, I. Put that together. Right. Right. I hope that learning how to read and spell will help you when you write stories yourself. Sound, F. Sound, Put that together. Furrow. Put that together. Froze. Froze. We froze some popsicles that we made in the freezer. Sound, K. Sound, U. Put that together. Cute. Cute. The newborn kitten was very cute. All right, let's go over some blends, digraphs, vowel teams that we've learned already. Make these sounds with me, please. Pull. Sk. Stir. Cur. Spool. Sh. Or. F. O. Mp. E. E. And we know that IE can make two sounds. It can say I, and it can say E. All right, let's get back to our verb tenses, our grammar part of the lesson. We're going to start with past tense. If a verb ends in a bossy E, just add a D. If a verb ends in a consonant plus a Y, drop the Y and add IED. If a verb ends in a vowel plus a Y, just add ED. If a verb ends in a vowel plus a consonant, double the last consonant and add ED. And for more other verbs, just add ED or learn the irregular ending. We see an example here. Carlos climbed the wall last week. He did it last week, so we're going to add ED. Next, we're going to look at present tense, and those are things that are happening right now. If the verb ends in a bossy E, drop the E and add ING. If a verb ends in a vowel plus a consonant, double the last consonant and add ING. And for more other verbs, just add ing. Now, let's practice and see if you can figure out what those verb forms will be. And then we're going to see if you can figure out which one to use in a sentence? Smile, and what would be the present tense? Smiling. Of course, it ends with a bossy E, so we drop that E and add ing. What would the past tense be? Smiled. She smiled when she finished the book. What about this word, wonder? What would the present tense be? Wondering. That's correct. What would the past tense be? Wondered. Just add ed. He is wondering what they will have for dessert. Next, we have the word trap. What would the present tense be? Trapping. Ends with that vowel consonant, so we're going to double that consonant and add ing. What would the past tense be? How would we spell it? Trapped. So again, we're going to double that consonant. Next, let's see if we can figure out which verb form to use. Charity likes blank with her mom. What would it be? Dance, dances, dancing, danced. Dancing, that's right, because she's doing it right now. There's no clue words that tell you it happened in the past, so we know that. Next, Christian is blank for flowers. Shop, shops, shopped, shopping. Which one would it be? Shopping. Again, that's a present tense. It's happening right now. There's no words in there that tell us it happened in the past. Next, we have this one. Zoe blank a picture for the art show last month. Paint, paints, painting, painted. Which one would it be? Painted, that's correct, because it says last month. So that gives us a clue that it happened in the past. And that is our last one for today. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. We will go over again another phonics review and some more practice with our grammar in lesson number 3. Thanks for sticking around. Until next time, happy reading.